Welcome to Chemduino, where science meets technology. We are from Excel Public School, Mysore.
And we have developed the Chemduino kit. Chemduino is designed to enhance chemistry education by combining experiments with coding and sensors. There are exciting experiments students can perform by using this kit.
Exothermic and endothermic reactions. This experiment demonstrates how certain chemical reactions release energy and others absorb energy. Students use temperature sensors connected to Arduino to track temperature changes, solutions, colloids, and suspensions. Students explore the Tyndall effect to distinguish between solutions, colloids, and suspensions. Using a light dependent resistor, the Arduino measures how much light passes through the mixtures, demonstrating the unique properties of each. Concentration of colored solutions. In this experiment, students explore Beer-Lambert's law. By using a color sensor, students measure the RGB values of copper sulfate solutions at different concentrations. Electrolytes and non-electrolytes. This experiment uses a DIY conductivity probe to measure the ability of different substances to conduct electricity. By testing electrolytes like hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide compared to non-electrolytes like distilled water, students will observe that electrolytes conduct electricity while non-electrolytes do not. Comparing resistance of different metals. This experiment focuses on the electrical resistance of different metals. With the help of a current sensor and Arduino, students can explore how materials like copper, aluminum, and brass have varying resistance. Capillary action in soil. This experiment demonstrates how water moves using soil moisture sensors. Students can observe how water rises through soils. The experiment visually shows the impact of soil texture on moisture absorption, making capillary action more tangible. Acid based titration. Students carry out titration by using an Arduino, light sensor, and phenolphthalein. As sodium hydroxide is added to hydrochloric acid, the phenolphthalein changes color and the sensor detects the change in light intensity.
The Chemduino kit comes with a manual, all the electronic components, chemical salts, and labware required for the experiments. The manual includes concept applications, circuit diagrams, Arduino codes, images of experimental setups, and recommendations for the appropriate grade level for each experiment, along with the corresponding chapter name from the NCERT textbook.
Samrat developed the technical aspects of the experiments and Arduino coding. Pradyumna tested and refined the experiments to ensure they aligned with the curriculum and were easy to use. And I focused on the research and conceptualization of the kit.
We thank our school for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.